Exchanging CAD designs between different applications and got an IGES file. This is one of the oldest and most universal CAD interchange formats still widely used in engineering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and work with these IGES files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated IGES file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. An IGES file is a vendor-neutral file format used to exchange 3D computer-aided design (CAD) data between different software systems. It represents models in wireframe, surface, or solid form. Users encounter this format when they need to share complex 3D models with collaborators who use different CAD applications. The IGES format is ASCII text-based, structured in fixed-length 80-character records, a legacy from punched card systems. This design ensures maximum compatibility across disparate systems, though it results in larger file sizes compared to binary formats. It defines geometric entities like points, curves, and surfaces in a standardized way. To gain full access to IGES, the application needed is Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk Inc. Editing the file requires the specific proprietary environment not offered by Windows. Windows can't render their full mesh or model data, so complete analysis must be done in a CAD tool. Your first step towards successfully opening the file: right-click the IGES file and select Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. A test is required. If you still can't open the IGES file, it's okay. Because your IGES file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in CAD Software. Most professional CAD applications import IGES natively. In SolidWorks, use File then Open, selecting the IGES file. In Autodesk Inventor, use File then Import. Fusion 360 AutoCAD, KTIA, NX, and Solid Edge all support IGES through standard file open dialogues. Configure import options for unit interpretation and tolerance to match your project requirements. Next, free viewer options. Use Autodesk Viewer Online or eDrawings. Viewer free desktop application to view IGES files without a CAD license. FreeCAD provides full open source CAD capability with IGES import for editing capability. These options enable design review and basic measurements without commercial CAD software for occasional IGES file access needs. Finally, converting to STEP. For better fidelity in modern workflows, convert IGES to STEP format using FreeCAD or commercial CAD applications. STEP AP203 or AP214 preserves more design information, including assembly structure and material properties, than IGES. Open the IGES file in any CAD tool, then export as STEP for ongoing design work in current engineering environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.